Welcome to this tutorial on setting up your home page or post page in WordPress. In this guide you will learn how to access your WordPress account, navigate through the settings, and customize your homepage with clear and straightforward steps. Begin by opening your web browser and going to the main WordPress site. Once the homepage loads, move your cursor towards the upper right corner of the screen where you will see the login option. Clicking this login button initiates the process for accessing your account. After clicking login, you will be presented with a choice to continue using your credentials. At this stage, select the option that allows you to continue with your Google account. This method streamlines your access by securely linking your account, so there is no need for a separate password if you prefer using Google authentication. Expect to see a prompt asking you to choose your Google account. Simply select the account with which you want to log in. This choice is particularly useful if you manage multiple accounts. Once you have chosen your Google account, WordPress will take you directly to your account dashboard. Now that you are logged in, navigate to your website settings. Head towards the section where you can adjust your website settings. You will find a link labeled Settings, which directs you to the area that controls various aspects of your site. Clicking on this link opens up a menu where several customization options are available. Within the settings menu, locate the section called Reading. Moving into the reading settings allows you to control how your content is displayed on your website. In this section, one of the key options you will find is the ability to display a static page instead of the usual list of your latest posts. This feature is useful for making your homepage reflect a fixed piece of content rather than a dynamic list that continuously updates. Inside the reading section, identify the option for a static page. This option changes the way your website's homepage functions by allowing you to choose a page that remains constant regardless of new posts. Once you have decided on using a static page, further adjust the settings by selecting which page will serve as your homepage. Look carefully for the control that lets you click on homepage and change the page. This action will enable you to designate any of your created pages as the main landing page for visitors. Finally, after you have set your preferred page as the home page, make sure that you save the changes. At the bottom of the reading settings page, you will see an option to save changes. Doing so ensures that all the modifications you made are committed to the website. Once you click Save Changes, your new homepage settings are live and ready for visitors. Following these clear steps, you have now successfully customized your WordPress site to display a static page as your homepage. Enjoy the simplicity and enhanced control over your content presentation that comes with this configuration.